Good morning. I am 5 minutes earlier today. As always, if you're watching in recording, you're welcome to fast forward or stay with us through our hellos. Good morning, Sandra. Good morning, Gina. All right, it is time for us to start. and we continue exploring mindful self-compassion as taught by Christopher Germer and Kristin Neff. And today we will do a dynamic practice called compassionate movement. The practice of compassionate movement asks and answers the question, what do I need right now physically? And the main idea is to move your body from the inside out rather than in any prescribed way. So moving very intuitively. When done slowly and gently, this practice provides the yin of physical comfort and soothing to our body. But of course, it can also be more of a yang practice if this is what your body needs in this moment. You can move in a more energetic and vigorous manner, like jumping, shaking, etc. So please stand up, or if you, that would be best for moving, but if you're not wanting to stand up, of course, you can do it seated as well. But try to have the soles of your feet on the floor. And take a few moments to get comfortable, to settle in. Let your breath be easy, natural, comfortable. Don't force anything. And now I invite you to think about a situation in your life right now that is difficult for you. And remember, choose something difficult but not overwhelmingly challenging. Really bring the situation to life in your mind's eye and gently say to yourself, this is a moment of suffering for me. Suffering is a part of life. May I be kind to myself in this moment. This is a moment of suffering. Suffering is a part of life. May I be kind to myself in this moment. And now let yourself rock a little bit, back and forth, from side to side, maybe making little circles with your knees, and feeling the changes of sensation in the soles of your feet, anchoring your awareness in your feet. Move in any way that feels good for you, that feels stabilizing, anchoring, grounding. And now opening your field of awareness and scanning your whole body for other sensations. Notice any areas of ease as well as areas of tension. Now for a moment, focus on a place in your body where you feel discomfort. Ask yourself, what do I need right now physically? How can I bring kindness to my body through some movement right now? And without thinking, intuitively, gradually begin moving your body in a way that feels really good to you, that feels like you're giving yourself compassion. For example, you can let yourself gently twist your shoulders, roll your head, turn at the waist, Drop into a forward bend. Again, no prescription, whatever feels just right for you now. Giving the body the movement that it needs in this moment, intuitively, remembering that your body knows how to create compassion for yourself. Your body knows what is needed better than any other teacher outside of you. And now slowly come to stillness again, feeling your whole body, noticing any changes after this compassionate movement practice. Again, bring your attention into your feet, anchoring yourself down into the earth, feeling its support. The support that is always here for you, even if sometimes you forget about it. Gently, kindly, place your hands on your heart, or maybe hug yourself instead, or do whatever other gesture that represents self-compassion for you right now, whatever it is. And repeat after me. I am here. I am breathing. My heart is beating. My mind is working. May I be kind to myself right now. May I accept myself just as I am. All is well in my world. And as you go through your day today, I invite you to practice this compassionate movement as many times as you feel the need. It doesn't have to be a full practice like we did right now. It can take just a couple of minutes or even 30 seconds. Just whenever you notice that you are suffering, acknowledge it. Remind yourself of the common humanity of your suffering. And bring kindness into the moment through movement, simply asking yourself, what do I need right now physically? How can I be kind to my body right now? And allow yourself to move intuitively from the inside out without any particular pattern or prescription. Enjoy this exploration. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you on Saturday. Tomorrow is your breathing practice with Lorna. Enjoy that too. Bye.